everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to change password on WorldRemit. Changing your password for security reasons on WorldRemit is a straightforward process. First of all, open a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box and type in worldremit.com and search. If you're signed into your WorldRemit account, go ahead and click on My Account at the top right and click on Log Out and log out of your account first. You will then end up in the sign in page. Scroll down and click on Forgotten Password, reset it here and enter your email address associated with your WorldRemit account. Click on Continue once done. You'll receive an email with a password reset link to your registered email. Open your email inbox and click Open the Reset Password Request email. Click on Reset My Password and enter a new password in the text box. After you are done setting up a new password, click Continue. And now, while logging into your account, you will need to type in the newly updated password and email address and click on Continue. And that's how you can easily change your password for WorldRemit. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.